Hey y'all, maintenance love is back. I'm about to put some air in these tires. The first thing you will need is this little tool. That way you can know how much air is in the tire or what you need. Then I got this tire machine from Walmart. You have to take the cap off first. And then the way that you'll know if you need air in the tire is the tire will kind of like bulk up like that. So checking with this tire pressure, it has 30. My tires are 35, so it is down by 5%. So that's how you will know the indicators of maybe not a smooth drive, or maybe you see that little piece bucking up. So I am just unraveling this. I got this from Walmart for like $25. Maybe able to find it cheaper, but it definitely comes in handy. So the other part is connected to the vehicle. And this is a part that I'm just connecting to the tire, and I'm about to get ready to blow this up. On to the next. So I did all of the tires. Be sure to watch the Maintenance Love playlist for more maintenance content. Mwah.